3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
What's going on, my Lions and Lioness? My name is Joseph Ruggiero, the Executive Director of Rouge Lion Digital Marketing, where we put pride in your business. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'd just like to bring a couple announcements forward. Today we had teamed up with Champion Athletics to bring you guys the tie-dye Roaring Paw sweatshirts. These things are dope. We just got those locked in today. They're now on our website at www.rougelion.com/shop. Go check those out, $49.99. You will not want to miss out on those. Another big announcement that we have. We are going on Clubhouse every Tuesday, 8 o'clock, talking about student athletes and entrepreneurship. I'm teaming up with ZP Coaching. The owner at ZP Coaching, Zach Pease, is an ex-professional hockey player, as well as myself as a post-collegiate football player, a little washed up at this point in time. But yes, we will be diving into topics for entrepreneurship as well as being a student athlete and what it was, the trials and tribulations of getting to where we are today. Thank goodness. It's going to be a long journey, which brings us to our topic of the day with the 2-minute drill. Today we're talking about, will Clubhouse be the next major platform? Tune in right now. This is how we do it. We set the clock up here to 2 minutes and ready, set, go. Let's throw it back to 2 weeks ago when Gary Vee posted on IG about the no mindset with all these social media platforms. Facebook in 2006, it's just for students. Instagram is just for kids, 2012. 2015, LinkedIn is just for job searching. 2019, TikTok is just for dancing. 2021, Clubhouse won't last. Here we are. No mindset. Do you think Clubhouse will last? Well, let's check it out. So all the people who haven't heard about the invite-only app, let me tell you what you're missing. It's a social media application that's based on audio that also essentially replicates real life. Sure, we have other social media platforms, but do they actually connect us to people? Actually connect? Think about it this way. What if 20 people got together, or let's say we're in a big office building with an unlimited number of conference rooms. Each room has a different group of people with diverse backgrounds, perspectives, and interests, all willing to speak on the same topic. You poke your head into each conference room until you find one that piques your interest. Boom. Once you find the room or club that you like to participate in, you can decide whether you want to simply listen or raise your hand to contribute to the conversation. This is why Clubhouse is a really incredible platform, because it's based around voice and passive listening. And that's why people on the app love it so much. So just like audiobooks, it gives you the ability to multitask. Think about the human nature of it all. We love the lack of friction. Just like Amazon Prime, Uber Eats, it's all about convenience. Plus, audio consumption is convenience of learning for so many too. Do whatever you'd like while you're continuously bringing in new information. So is this going to be the next social media platform? We think it has the potential. Why? Because since May of 2020, Clubhouse has grown from 0 to 800,000 invited and registered members, because it offers an aspect that no other popular social media platform is taking advantage of: audio. In a time where a majority of the population is socially isolated, the Clubhouse app makes it easy for people to hear each other's voices and have intimate interactions with complete strangers. The future is audio, my friends. Listen, engage, and boom. Thank you guys very much for watching today and tuning on in. If you have any questions about Clubhouse, how it can be beneficial for your digital marketing campaign, DM us at our social media pages at Rouge Lion. We'd love to give you some feedback about the app and what it can do for you. Just to reiterate, we will be on Clubhouse every Tuesday at 8 o'clock at night, talking about student athletes and what it takes to be a successful business owner. We love to do that for you guys. Don't forget to check out our social media pages and our YouTube. Please subscribe. Guys, meowing time is over. It's time to roll.